All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so here's what I have here for gold. I have gold going up for a buy right now. I'm actually getting ready to send out a signal on this trade. It's fair to enter here with stop loss right below it. All right, we could see price started to buy from this area, kept pushing higher, and now getting ready to go to the next destination. All right, so I'm gonna enter here, and I'm going to have stop loss right underneath. I'm also going to have pending orders and re-entries as well. Overall, max trade I want to do on this trade is about 3 trades. Alright, 116 risk on this, right underneath the zone. Not bad at all. Just like that. Perfect. Alright. And then from there, once price keeps going, we're gonna also have our take profit. Let's go ahead and remove this. These are re-entry zone opportunities once these go into profit. Alright, realistically, I want my take profit to be above at the top Bollinger Band. Alright, that's all the way up there for the take profit. $1,700 profit on this TP. If we reach, when we reach. So 3 trades would equal to about, let's do the math. If we reach all the way up there to the top of 100 times 3, it's about 5K on the 0.75. If we do 3 trades, that's about 700 pips total. Okay, it's worth the trade. It's worth the trade for sure. So we'll take this one easy, little by little, and then from there we'll see how it goes. But as of right now, because price is above 50 on the H1, price is also above the Bollinger Band as well, middle Bollinger Band, and fully bought above it. That's another confirmation to why I'm buying, and also price is above 50 MA. It's underneath middle Bollinger Band, but I think in the next hour and 30 minutes we're gonna see a bullish move candle happening here. So we'll wait and see how this all going to play out. But we're not going to do too much trade. We're just going to take 1 trade at a time at the entry that we get, and then from there we'll see how the rest is going to play out. Okay, I'm gonna take another trade right here as well. Taking all my trades inside this box here. We never could make it to the bottom Bollinger Band for some reason, guys. So the best bet right now is to buy and go to the H4 top Bollinger Band. I thought it was going to do it here earlier this morning, but we had a major rejection, so let's use our opportunities. All right, so I have entries that I'm going to be putting in right here. Re-entry opportunity is going to be in the middle as well, and then re-entry opportunity is going to be up here to break this zone to keep going higher. So I don't know if gold is going to do all that, but I would not be surprised. I'm going to go ahead and add
order filled
my trade in right now. I'm doing my stop loss. I'm risking about 700 on this trade total from the H4 time frame. Let me see if I could make it a little lower. Realistically, about 500, 540 is perfect. Let's see if it aligns with my other time frame. Alright, bottom Bollinger Band is here on the minute, so we should be going up. If not, we're going to wait. Alright, 15-minute time frame. As you could see, we did not fully get that test at the top Bollinger Band just yet, so I'm expecting that in the 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Right now we are exactly at the middle Bollinger Band. Matter of fact, I don't even need to have that big of a stop loss. $230 stop loss is perfect. Matter of fact, let's just make it 250 for real. To be safe, 330. Right underneath the box. That's right around where the H1 is at. All right. Let's see. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think, chat. Yep, my guy, you just locked in. Yes, sir. Malachi is here. Yes, sir. Glad to have you guys here, man, locked in. I know this week has been slow the past 2 weeks, but it's coming together. It's coming together. All right, where is it? Jack. I'm just gonna add a quick trend line here. Okay, should be good here. Yo, what's good, Snipe? Nice to have you here. Alright, I'm currently taking this buy trade here for gold. I'm also going to send the signal for it. We didn't really do much this week when it comes to signals and stuff. Alright, here we go. We're going to send the signal now. We are at 800 MA. Yeah, pretty much time to go here, man. Okay, here we go. Let's get it. Just putting together the entry for us. We're gonna be buying gold right now. Although on the 1 minute time frame, I wanted to test the 800, and I'm getting a false signal on the 5 and 15 minute time frame. I think it's gonna change, so I'm looking to buy pretty much right now. And yeah, we're gonna be good on this trade. Alright, I'm just sending the signal to you guys. So if we attempt this trade, this is how it's going to look. I'm going to do it on a naked chart instead. This is one of those trade, if stop loss trigger, like I'm super okay with that. $50 stop loss, original. We going all the way to H4, top Bollinger Band. That's a long distance. Ha. That's a very long distance, guys. If this thing goes from here. This is a life-changing move. But within this move, we're going to have a couple entries. We're going to have entries here as well. Right at the middle. This is going to be the entry that confirms everything, seals everything. And we going up crazy. Alright. Up here. Okay. Up here as well. Everywhere that was hard to break, that it breaks, is gonna be a great push up. The reason I'm putting these here is because these are gonna be re-entry areas and also confirmation areas as well as price goes. So we went from here, we going to here, 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 here. And then here, TP. So it's worth it. Let's try this entry now for 50 pips and then see how it goes from there. Easy setup, easy trade. Randy, what's going on? What's up, man? Well, happy birthday, bro. That's amazing. And he's still locked in. Love the consistency, man. Let's get it back tonight. Let's see what we could get out of this. So this signal for the buy I'm sending on gold, man, if it goes for us, that's going to be the one. And I know I'm entering underneath the daily zone, but price is already at a key zone area. Middle Bollinger Band, 15-minute time frame. If it breaks that, it's just gonna go for stop loss. But that's gonna be our protection to hold this trade up for us to make it keep going up. So here it is, stop loss 60 pips. on this setup, and then yeah, we gotta capitalize. Yeah, stop loss 50 pips for me. Yeah, you want to trade ideas and then send that over. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a nice buy. I think the sellers are beat. I'm just sending it right now. Alright, we in profit. Let's go. But we'll see what all happens. So we buying gold around price 33, 39.060. Stop loss 33, 33.324. TP. We're gonna have multiple take profit on this one. So from here to here, it's about 100 pips. So we'll have TP1. We got a couple of TPs. TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. Sheesh. I'm just going to make it in 3 TPs. Total. We're looking about 700 pips. Alright, we going. Make sure you're in this trade already if you're on the call. TP number one. I'm not even going to do 100 pips TP number one. TP number one is gonna be for about 200 pips right here. TB number one. 33 60.122. Let's add an alert there. Guys, I'm already in this trade. I'm actually gonna see how I'm gonna re-enter when it's time. It's above the daily now, but I need more confirmation. Nice. I love the H4 opens. Once I get the green light, I'm entering again. Let's go. We're in profit. Pushing up fast, man. Dang. I'm not even gonna have time to put no alert. For real. Let me just send this over to you guys, man. Whoa, major rejection, major rejection. This gold is on the go. But I don't like that rejection. That was crazy. Crazy rejection. Alright, let me finish sending the signal. This is one of those trades where I'm staying in until stop loss trigger, guys. So we in this together. I know y'all know that song. 33 7 9.726 TP3. Wow, what a rejection, dude. Crazy rejection. Alright, TP's at 33, 34. 1 706. Alright, we risking only 50 pips to make 700 pips long term. We got 3 tick profit on this. plus 700 pips. Alright, 700 pips for the reward. Alright, we're gonna say note. Price is on top of middle Bollinger Band on the 15-minute time frame. If price respects this zone, we can expect more what's going on? Alright, it's retesting. That's part of the game. That's normal. We can expect more take profit at top Bollinger Band on the next higher time frames. All right. And signal is sent. All right, signal is sent. Let me go ahead and make sure that I'm in my trade as well. Have my stop loss, take profit. And yeah, let's see how this plays out. Alright, make sure I'm in my trade as well. Yes, sir. Support reach. Alright, we ready to go, man. This is a good re-entry opportunity right now on this trade, to be honest. But I'm not going to take it. Okay, well, I got too loose. Signal is sent. Everything is live, guys. So time we locked in right now. We are locked in right now. All right, we got our trades in. No worries. Stop loss is in place. Again, this is one of those trades that I'm holding until destination, or at least until I make some good profit on it. So we just had the retest here. Let's see if it's gonna continue going up from that trend line, and then we should be good. Once we go above this zone here, it's all clear. What you guys think, chat? Jackpot. Yes, sir. Glad to connect, man. Glad to connect. I may be in Phoenix real soon, Jack. Send me a message on Telegram. Jackpot PMG or IG Jackpot PMG. All right, let's see. Yes, I do trade futures. This is a future account right here. I'm in a trade right now. It's $5 in profit. And we also right here as well. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Let's see how we're gonna capitalize right here, guys. We should be getting a nice push. Yes, sir. What I like to see. Yes, sir. Let's go back above the daily again. That's what we need to see, and then we're good to go. Oof. Crazy rejections. If it rejects, where does it want to go retest? I don't see any more retest possibilities here. Not going there for sure. There. It's gonna push price up. Yeah, bottom right there. That was the entry for that retest we wanted. And yeah, we should keep going up. That's actually my first signal for the week. So let's get a banger. Let's get a banger out of this one. What are you guys thinking on this one? We got a lot of volume for bullish moves. We do. So that's something I'm keeping in mind. We're buying right off the freaking daily entry too. It's like no brainer type of trade. Right here. Let's see if it respects the daily. That's all we need to see. Respects of the daily. Let's see. It's gonna give us opportunity to re-enter. It's gonna give us that opportunity real soon. Let me check one more confirmation area. Getting a little more pullback, that's okay. That's all okay. We got a buy signal here on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Should be good. See how this is reacting? It's exactly what we want. Alright, Jackpot strategy is giving us signal to buy. So we good. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm not missing out on this buy move, man. Or sell move, whichever the breakout, but I think it's gonna go for a buy. The next 40 minutes, this H4 candle is going to give us a new candle. So in the next 40, we'll see exactly how we doing. I'm really honing in right now on this gold buy, man. That's my move for the week. Alrighty. I'm locked in and I feel good. Feel good about my trade. You know, everything is looking good. What's going on, Dion? Dion said make sure no SL. I can't agree with that, Dion. Always have SL. Or else Dion said make sure you blow your account, man. Yes, sir. Jakurov, I'm liking this strategy. Definitely will tap in, man, for sure. Stay locked in with us, for sure. Yeah, you're right, Randy. We could have a liquidity sweep before we go to the upside, but it's consolidating. I'm hanging in there. Yeah, but we're going for the buy. Damn, that's crazy, Jack. Hit me up on Instagram, man, or Telegram. Let's chat. That's what's up. That's crazy. That's a long time, dude. Long time. Alright, so let's see what we got going on here. Is gold getting ready to give us that nice buy move? I'm locked in regardless. If it goes for more pullback, I got pending orders ready for it. But stop loss is still 50 bips for me. In the next few minutes, 36 minutes, we're going to have a new H4 candle. Ooh, there goes drop. Ugh. We got 36 minutes to the new H4. 35 minutes now to the new H4, so I'm waiting to see how it reacts. This is around where I want to add another entry. Again, guys, this is not risking too much. I'm only in a drawdown for $60. It's not bad at all. If stop loss trigger here, we're just gonna re-enter it. locking in right now my trades. Make sure I'm good. It's pulling back a bit though. That's the perfect re-entry as long as H4 is bullish. The next H4 is bullish, guys. We're in a drawdown. That's part of it. I had a feeling to freaking wait for this H4 to finish and then enter, but the impulsive in me made me enter early, so we in it. Yeah, we got about 30 more minutes. The next H4 candle is gonna tell us everything we need to know. Gold is at a very particular spot, guys. It's very, very like weird. But I'm sticking with my buys. I have my stop loss. Worst case scenario stop loss trigger. That's fine. But yeah, it's at a weird area. Major rejection here on the H4. Wow, half trend is still green. I mean red for sell. Being persistent. Alright, 29 more minutes till the new H1 and H4 come up. Could have did a better job waiting for the pullback to complete, but it's okay. Full retest. Now, let's see. Alright, we just hit the support zone, major support zone. I had some pending orders there too. We just hit that area. Alright, perfect entry, right exactly where price just test, guys. I believe that was the best entry you could get. 1 minute and 800 time frame hit. So let's see. Should be going straight up now. Alright, here we go. It is still gone. Let's see if we get right above daily again one more time, and then we're good. This is exactly where we were supposed to be buying harder. Alright, let's see what's going on. Pushing lower. Let's see. But we still got to wait for the new H1 and H4. Okay. "23 more minutes to the new H1 and H4 come up." That's gonna say everything we need to know for the rest of the market. It's under the daily. Yeah, I know. Price is under the daily for sure, bro. That's one of the reasons why it is pushing down. But I think we could still get the move. To be honest, we just gotta wait for the new H4 is gonna let us know everything we need to know. That's in about 21 minutes. We could have waited a little bit longer to get this entry. The thought did come across my mind, but the impulsive in me took the trade anyway. So now I have to basically just wait. But signal on the 1 minute, 5 minute saying bye. Just gotta wait for more confirmation and we should be good. Right now I got a standard trade in total. So this is my limit for stop loss right underneath this area here. A few more minutes, let's see. Alright, let's see what we gonna get, guys. Few more minutes. Few more minutes. They may try to go lower to get out all the buyers and then shoot up. Let's just hold down the line, man. Hold down the line. If I lose on this trade, it's a good loss. I'm trading this strategy, following the direction. It's rarely I go in a trade and it doesn't pull back. Rarely. I had one of those this week. This morning I could have had one on the news too, but I didn't take the trade for the sell. But I rarely have trades where it just goes straight to profit. Usually always do this, so I'm getting used to it. Alright, let's see how many more minutes we got, man. $18 more minutes, new H4. 18 more minutes, H1. I'm hoping we don't get no sells here at all, man. Like, let's go. Let's get going here. Let's push up right about here. Can't get no more breaks than that. If we get this break, then we could get this break. It's gonna be the last but not least. And a drawdown though. Push to the upside. Alright, let's see. I got a standard in. I'm gonna draw down 170. Not bad. I'm risking like 300 on this. 300 I made profit. 400 really. Playing around, playing around. We don't got that much time left. 17 more minutes. New age 4. Got 16 more minutes. I'm locked in, man. I'm not going nowhere. I'm confident on my trades. Stop loss is going to trigger today or take profit. One of those two. So entry here, guys. Lock the fuck in right here. Lock in. I'm gonna increase my stop loss. This stop loss here is fine, but I'm gonna increase it. I'm only losing $94. It's not moving that fast, so. To get your money. Anyway. They come, they go. They leave, they stay. Alright, gang.
Order filled.
Pulling the trigger again. I'm losing 585 on this play right here if I lose. Wish me luck. Let's get it. Alright. Where we at? Goldie. As long as gold respect this area here, let's go right back above. Yep, above this area here. 50 MA on the 15-minute time frame is going to push price up, and we're going to be in profit. So no worries, guys. Let's just stay focused, stay locked in. 13, 16, 17, 18, 19. 06 would make it 25. How many more minutes? Let's keep track of our timer. 13 more minutes for the new H1. All green moving average, all green half trend. I'm staying in my buy. Even all green bullish candles looking great. 12 minutes left. Same for the H4. We did have a rejection here because it ain't go yet. It was trying to figure out if it wants to go. It realized that it does wants to go, so it's gonna respect this area here, give us a new H4, and we should be good. Yeah, we're about to go right back up on this one. Volume on the H1 is already pretty high too, so let's see. All right, guys, you guys know me, man. I'm already locked in right now on this move. I have a standard. Again, I hope price don't do no dumb stuff, but I'm pretty locked in right now on my trade. All right, so yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Hope price goes our way for us, and we should be good. All right, right now we're going to the H minute time frame, 50 MA, to see if we could get a break. All of this is happening on the 30-second time frame. Back above volume right now. Now we just need to go above and go past daily again, and then we good on this trade for the buy for the rest of the week. Lock in. Few more minutes. That's gonna says it all. A few more minutes. We still got a signal saying green buys right here on the 5-minute time frame. Should be pushing price up for us. Let's go, let's go. Let's now check the timer. See where we at. New H1 candle in 9 minutes, guys. Let's see if we go above daily. Let's go. Let's push. This is Thursdays, the last days. This is the last day, guys. So let's lock in. What's good, Chad? I'm in Medellin, bro. You asked me this yesterday, my guy. Advanced Gaming. What's going on, bro? Go to the 2 hours. We're on the H1 and H4 right now. 8 more minutes to the new candle form. Let's go. Stay locked in. I'm in profit right now on my standard. Alright, all accounts is in blues right now from these entries. I'm getting ready to stay in there. I know I could have executed better exactly at the 800 where price reached, but it is what it is. I did my best. Alright, we're breaking back above daily, guys. That's what we need to see. We're breaking back above daily. Alright. 1 minute time frame. Give us the entry on the 50 MA, 5 minute as well. Now it's 15 minute time, 15 minute as well. They all did. Now it's 30 minute time. 30 minute is given the entry to. Then it's H1 time. H1 is given the entry to off the 50. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, we're looking real good. 50 giving the entry off the H4. Excuse me, pushing up. And then where we going to? Yeah, we pushing higher. Let's go. All right, let's see if we get a breakout here. This is very crucial area we in right now. Very important. I like how price really just moved exactly how we wanted it without doing no further pullback. But let's not speak too early. Let's stay focused. Let's stay locked in. We got a signal on the 5 minutes in. We good for the buy. We are above daily now. We need to stay above daily to fully be good on this trade, and then sky's the limit from there, guys. We got about 7 more minutes to the new H1 and H4 candle open, so let's stay focused. Alright, I'm in profit on all accounts from this signal here. I just gotta wait for the move to happen, I guess. On a naked chart, this is how we looking. We almost reached stop loss on this too. So that was a great comeback for us. Uh-oh. It's serious right here, guys. It's getting serious. I'm gonna reduce my lot size just to be a little bit more careful on this one, just in case it decides to go against. I'm able to withstand it. I need to see how the new H1 is going to open in the next 5 minutes. Four more minutes. Let's see. Yeah, we locked in on this one. We've been waiting for it. We need to see a new open on the H1 candle. We need to see how that's going to open up. Let's see. H1 and H4 is crucial to this move. Alright, new H4 coming up. And 3 more minutes. Jack Kurov says this is going to be a weekly trade or just a day trade. Well, I'm looking forward to holding this trade long term. But it's all based on the confirmation that I'm getting. So once I get more confirmation, I'll have a clearer idea of where we headed. Alright, we're getting ready to get our confirmation. 2 more minutes, guys, to the new H1 and H4. We're gonna watch this happen in live action. Let's see. Make sure you have stop loss just in case impulsive move. And then we'll see how it all plays out from there. Let's go ahead and hide everything just so we could see how this is gonna play out. Excuse me. Uh-oh, we going lower. What's going on? We can't break past the daily again? Come on, dude. The heck? Hell is going on here? 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Let's see on the H1 how it's gonna open. H1 and H4. Okay. New H1, man. Let's see how this is gonna serve us. I don't like it. Needs to be bullish. Alright, well, I'm in this trade, guys. I have my stop loss. You know, worst case scenario, stop loss trigger. And yeah, that'll be a good attempt for me for the week. I didn't do much. Alright, well, we locked in. Let's see how this all gonna play out. Just sit back and watch. That's all. Stop loss in place. Should be going straight up, man. It should be going straight up from our indicators and our analysis. Yeah, new H1 should be bullish. Yep. And H4 should be bullish. We are getting that bullish momentum a little bit. That's a bullish candle. Yeah. Let's go ahead and start pushing up for. That's bullish. 50 MA green. Half trend is green. See. It looks here. 15, right at the middle of the 15. 5, we just need that half trend to turn green. 1 minute time frame. If anything, probably give us a retest at the bottom Bollinger Band here, which I highly doubt. But overall, we're looking good. If anything, guys, I think we may go and test this 800 one more time and then go up, which I would still be in my trade if that happens. If anything, let's go ahead and update the stop loss on the signal so we could be in there a little longer. Let me do it on my phone instead. Update stop loss to price. We'll do stop loss right here. Fully underneath the H1. Alright, risking 89 pips is a lot. 85 pips is ideal. It's fair, you know, it's fair for what we trying to get. So we'll update. Let's go. We getting that push, ain't we? Uh-huh. Yes, sir, we are. Let's go. Dollar. Yes, we're gonna get that nice push we're looking for. Right above the daily. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that H1, guys. Look at that H1. That's what we was waiting for right there. Okay? So let's make sure we update our stop loss so we have a fighting chance on this trade. And then we stand put. Let's go. That's what I like to see. Alright, we above the daily again now. We should stay above daily and keep going up for the buy rest of the day now. So that's what I wanted to see. I'm seeing that. That's good. Yeah, H1, H4, bullish, H1, bullish. Yeah, everything is aligning. Nothing that need to be done. Alright, let's go here. So we can see nothing yet on the 5, but it's coming. We are looking really good on this trade. Very good. All right, let's see how much I'm making. Right here, we making 137. That's only 0.50. I know I could do one more trade in there and be safe because this trade is well thought out. I think we got one. Guys. We got one. Yes, sir. Think we got one. Got him good too. Floating 213 now. All right, guys. Great catch. Let's go. We end this. We are in this. Once we get above this area, I'm adding another one. Beautiful entry. Stay locked in. Beautiful, beautiful. Well done. Who's all in this trade with me right now? Let's go. Thursday nights, we get these wins, man, usually. Let's go. Floating right now. 270. Looking very good. I'm stay in my trade. This is the trade that we hold, guys. I got signal in the 5-minute now. Saying we good for the buy. Fuck. Let's go. We're about to break the zones now, so we could keep pushing higher. Stay in your trade. Don't be scared, and we should be good. We're floating right now 315 on this one, 575 on this one. Ooh, look how beautiful this trade is. Going from zone to zone. We're going from this zone all the way up here, guys. So I'm gonna add another lot size right up there. Great setup, great execution. Not the best execution we could have did. I know we could have did a better job on executing on this trade, but the execution was good enough for the information we had at that time. All right, so let's just see. All right, so again, we're going from bottom Bollinger Band to top Bollinger Band on the 15-minute time frame. This is how we're looking. If I go on a naked chart, you guys could see beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bullish candle on the H4 and also on the H1. That was a smooth trade. Very smooth. We just got to hold now, and we could make it up here for a take profit by the morning if we hold. So we're going to have to hold this one for us to actually be able to get that move. You feel me? All right. I'm floating. We're going, guys, we're going. So I love to see 300 floating right now. I got one more trade to add to this, so it could be total for the dollar standard that I'm gonna hold all the way to the promised land. Once it breaks above, I'm adding it. All right, 340 floating right now. I know you guys are floating too. I'm floating too. So we looking good. Make sure to trail stop loss. And yeah, just hold. Caught a great signal, a great entry for the day. Waited all week for something like this. Now, this is just the beginning, guys. Remember, what's supposed to be happening here is we need to get a full break of the middle Bollinger Band, which is going to bring us all the way to take profit to top H1BB. Look how hard it's pushing right now. We going right here now, guys. Like, we going right up there. On my prop firm account, I must be floating at least 3K right now. 1900, just as expected. 1900, not bad. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm proud of our results right now, guys. I'm proud of what we did here. We rarely seen any drawdown on this move. I'm holding my trades. It's gonna be not that easy, but I'm holding. I'm holding all the way to top Bollinger Band H1. Woof. This thing look beautiful, juicy as hell for this buy, man. Sheesh. Yeah, got my entry right there. H1, all of that good stuff right there, crossed over, confirmation. That was beautiful, and then re-entry up right here. Could have stacked here, but I didn't. just getting better. That's all. We're not stacking, by the way. Only 3 to maximum 4 trade at a time. That's the mistake that cost me to lose earlier in the week. Went way too hard stacking, and that's not it. And I know that. All right, we just wait. We just wait now for more moves to happen. Feel free to always secure your gains, guys. It's never a bad idea to secure gains. Always keep that in mind. Let's go. Good on this shit right here. We're going strong, guys. We almost had this stick profit here. There's not gonna be any pullback from this area, guys. So try your best to be in this trade as it goes. Yeah, we're going up. All right, let's also look at on the naked chart that we had here. Well, not really naked chart anymore, eh? All right, this is how we're looking with all of our analysis. So we had all of our entries here. All right, next entries is gonna be up here, okay? Inside of the box here, but only after those trades are fully secured. So that's gonna be my next game plan as I scale on these. So stay tuned. We're going here though. Top Bollinger Band. That's what price is pushing the way it's pushing right now. Just go with the flow, all right? Just go with the flow. We got a good trade. It doesn't happen smoothly like this often, so just enjoy the moment. Just enjoy the moment, man. We're flowing good right now. Flowing real good. Flowing real good. Real good. All right, we pushing. We have somewhere to go though. We gotta watch it for what it is. We have somewhere to go. Don't panic. Just watch how price go from zone to zone. Just watch that action step. Watch it. It's going from middle. It has somewhere to go. Top Bollinger Band is the destination. Just wait and watch. Alright, let me hide these drawings here. We had a resistance zone here, but I think it's gonna break through and break it upwards, so it's just a matter of time. Look at the H4, it's beautiful. Volume is about to start picking up on this area here. It already did in the H1. It's one of the reasons why it's pushing up. Let me add my volume profile here. First of all, let me see the H4 time frame. And then average daily range. Jackpot volume. Ew, why it shows like that on this one? Ew, let's remove that. But let's leave the keys on just so we could see. Alright, let's see on the H4 how we looking. That was a nice entry, 30 minute. Beautiful entry, H1. Alright, let's see key zones. Damn, so here is a stop loss for a long-term swing trade. If we enter here and we manage to just hold and make it to key zone high by tomorrow morning, not only will we be eating so much, but that would also give us an opportunity to be in a long-term buy on this key zone here to go all the way up here for take profit. God damn, that's gonna be so freaking nice. Imagine entry. Hey, that would be ridiculous. So realistically, it wants to go to here take profit and here take profit. Long term. So just leave it as is. Yeah, but we're going from zone to zone, guys. You see, one to there, to there, to there. You just gotta wait. It's not gonna be too smooth, too easy, but it's gonna happen. 5 minute gave us the entry for the buy, so that's good. Probably retest at the top Bollinger Band. Yeah, we're gonna get a nice push here. All right, we're looking great, no lie. We're looking very good for the buy. Let's just stay in our trade. Don't get scared. As long as these candles is all green bullish, I'm buying. Oh, that was a beautiful entry right here. This could have been a one standard here if I waited a little bit better for better execution, or five standard. But like I said, we getting better. It's not perfect, but we getting better. Let's just see if we get a breakout here though. That's gonna be most important. Where it's at is a good area, but I don't really want to enter there simply because if price reverse from there, it's gonna hurt on a drawdown. It's pulling back, of course. We're probably gonna get a retest at the daily, guys. It is what it is. Pullbacks, 30-minute time frame is not having it. It's not letting it go that easily. Retest at the daily, guys. Be ready for it. It's gonna do it. There it is. Yeah. We retesting the daily, guys. No worries. I'm still standing my trade. Price did not respect that resistance zone, that support zone. All right, here's a retest. This is where you get it. Re-entry opportunities, real re-entry opportunities, right here. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, man. This move is not gonna be the easiest. You're gonna have to be patient for it. So it's already looking very good for the buy. So let's just be patient, wait for our moves, and then that's pretty much it for tonight. I'll let you guys know the effects of this trade later on. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Great session. I think we had a overall great session. You know, it was a pleasure focusing this week. As you guys could see, now we are a little bit more locked in, more focused. We could see our trades pretty clear, and we are taking more action. So let's just stay focused, and everything is gonna work out, guys. Everything is gonna work out. Yeah, we definitely been patient. We definitely been working on ourselves, and we are definitely getting better. So I'm proud of us, and just stay consistent, guys. This journey is gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be easier days than others. There's gonna be harder days than others. But if we stay consistent, we stay focused, everything is gonna work out, guys. So with that being said, it was a great pleasure to be here with you guys. You know, and I appreciate everyone, every single one of you guys, man, showing up consistently, working on yourselves. You guys are making me better, and I'm sure I'm helping you guys becoming better as well. So it works out pretty well. It works out pretty well. So I'm very happy with how things are going, and I promise you guys, we stay consistent, we keep showing up, we're gonna hit big, man. So let's just stay focused, keep showing up, everything is gonna work out. So that's all for today's session, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.